Hey folks, Nick here. Wanted to check on Roku one last time before the earnings reports tonight. So this is the chart without any markings on it. Kind of a all over the map, highs and lows, big valleys, fast runs, fast givebacks. It is a momentum stock. One thing is for sure, on any earnings of any stock ever, forever, the reaction the next day is completely dependent on luck, because even if you have the P&L, if they give it to you at a time, there's no way you can forecast what the stock will do tomorrow. It's not so much what they will report as far as good or bad, miss or hit or beat. It's more so what do people expect versus what comes out, and we don't know that part. And here are my thoughts. Fundamentally, I don't like it. I have shorted it before. I've gone long it before. I don't care which way it goes, but fundamentally it doesn't excite me because I'm puzzled as to who pays them any money. Maybe they make money from advertising, but even then they're competing against the two giants, Amazon, the three giants, Amazon, Google, and the biggest one, Facebook. So anyway, technically I see a lot of breakouts, and right now it's in a breakout. So let me share the notes I have done for my team. So I send out newsletters a couple a day. And here is the last one, was a breakout and with potential upside, and it's already filled the first leg of it. So if I'm long and I got this already, I would bail into the earnings as far as a trade. If I'm long it for longer term forever, then why am I watching this video? This is just to see what is the trade. So now you have a little consolidation zone here. So on a dip towards that consolidation zone, it's buyable. And another bigger one would be right here at 139, 140, because that was the neckline that brought this whole thing. So it depends where you're drawing the lines. They do speak volumes. It does respect technicals. I have a lot of lines because of every period of time. I don't delete them all at once. We have had two failures at these levels, so that doesn't bode well for the bulls. However, that also provides a nice neckline to break through. What does that mean? So if they take it out, let's reset it. So it has failed several times up here, but if it does take it out finally, they get into open space and there's nothing to short against. So then it becomes to how far they go, and it will probably have $30-40 of just open space. So it all depends what happens and who takes control of the momentum. And as far as which way it's going to trade tomorrow, that's a complete guess. If you think you know and you're putting a lot of money on it, know that you're gambling, because we don't know. Nobody knows. Not even the CEO of the company can tell you how they're going to trade it. So stay humble and trade the ranges. And this is a shorter term. This is a 1 hour chart. It shows a nice consolidation that served. And then now it's into resistance, because we expected as much, and it was perfect where it's starting to stall. It doesn't mean the rally is ending. If there was no earnings, then it may go higher just on its own and finish the job. So anyway, these are my thoughts on Roku. I will do a post-earnings video and see how well we did.